Hey guys, this is the last day of 2021, and this is going to be a short video where I will talk about what I'm going to be learning in 2022. That means from tomorrow and generally in next year. So, what I will be learning next year. So, let's start. So, on the left side, I have my blog open. I don't really call it a blog, it's kind of a way to manage my notes, and I'm loving this way of managing my notes. I will probably make a video about it, although you can also use it to write your articles as well. It is super cool, right? Like you can see, I can go to, for example, over here you can see my articles here. So if I click here, you can see this is how article looks like. And I can also show you the notes. For example, here you can see the notes. It's really cool. These are the tags. And the cool thing is I can actually search for anything. For example, if I just look for anything, it will give me the result. For example, on-chain or on-chain game. All right, let's talk about what I will be learning. So obviously I'm totally into Web3 space now, so I will be diving more into it and trying to get the maximum out of it. So talking about the languages that I will be covering, or like I will be learning next year, it includes Rust and Golang. So now you might ask why. Because if you want to do anything, so these are like the two, some of the two, or what should I say, two of a few languages that are really used in to write smart contracts. For example, Rust is actually used to write smart contracts for Solana, Polkadot, and then there are more blockchains. I didn't remember, but so these are two examples. Talking about Golang, so Golang is used to write smart contracts in Cosmos. So Cosmos is a cross-chain protocol, so which is also cool. Talking about the ecosystem, so what ecosystem I will be looking into, or like I will be learning how to write smart contracts in them. So first is obviously Ethereum and EVM based. So currently I work as a blockchain developer and I primarily work in Tezos ecosystem, but I want to move outside the zone. So actually I do look into other contracts regularly. This is what my day job looks like, which involves looking at other protocol code and trying to create something cool on Tezos. So yeah, I will be diving more into Ethereum ecosystem and learning more about the other EVM based blockchains, side chains, layer 2 solutions, and other things. Then talking about for cross-chain protocols, so I will be learning Polkadot and Cosmos. So these are two popular cross-chain protocols. And then I will be learning Solana because it's really popular. And talking about for full stack, I actually do know Ethereum a bit, right? In the same sense, I do know React also, I do use it, but I want to be good at it, so I will be diving more into it, so learning more about it. And then other React related libraries. So because I'm not that great of a React developer, primarily because I used to write front end in Vue, then I moved to React, so it's kind of messed up now. So yeah, I will be looking into other libraries that are generally used to code React application, and also not to mention a library called Web3.js. Sorry, it's just 3.js. 3.js, yep. Then for other work, so other includes other. So first thing is writing parsers and coding interpreter. This is something I always wanted to do, especially when I was coding my static site generator. I wanted to code a parser for Markdown. So I will be looking into it, how to code parsers and interpreters. And then other thing is creative coding. So why creative coding is I want to explore, creative coding to come up with, sort of NFTs and kind of thing. So that's why I will be diving into creative coding. So this is what I will be learning in 2022. So so now it's your time to tell me what you will be learning in 2022. So comment down below the things that you want to learn in 2022. And yep, I'll see you in the next one.